Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Kishanganj, Bangladesh. Kishanganj district is the second largest district of Dhaka division, the heart of the capital of Bangladesh. It is an administrative region of Dhaka division located in the central part of Bangladesh. It is a district located northeast of Dhaka. Kishanganj is a category A district of Bangladesh according to the number of upazilas. Mymensingh district was established on the 1st of May 1787. At that time, the geographical area of Kishanganj district was under the Yowar Hosainpur Pargana of Mymensingh district and was an administratively subordinate area. In 1860, Kishanganj subdivision was formed with Nikli, Bajitpur and Kishanganj regions. Later, on the 1st of February 1984, Kishanganj district made its administrative debut with 13 thanas. The brand name of Kishanganj district is the combined stream of the upstream and downstream, the river and Howrah are full of fish. Kishanganj is the second largest district of Dhaka division. Kishanganj has a geographical area of about 2,689 square kilometers. There are 13 upazilas in this area. This district is bordered by Netrokona district to the north and Mymensingh district to the northwest, Narsingdi district and Brahmanbaria district to the south, Sunamganj district and Habiganj district to the east, Mymensingh district and Gazipur district to the west. Among the tourist attractions in Kishanganj district are: Number 1, Sheikh Sadi Jama Mosque. Sheikh Sadi Jama Mosque is located in the village of Egarsindur in Pakundia Upazila of Kishanganj district of Bangladesh. It is an ancient mosque and one of the archaeological sites of Bangladesh. There is a French inscription attached to the Sheikh Sadi Jama Mosque. According to the information in the inscription, the mosque was built during the reign of the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan. A certain Sheikh Sadi built the mosque in 1651. It is also known from the inscription that the name of Sadi's father was Sheikh Shiru. Sheikh Mahmud Shah Mosque is a little far from Sheikh Sadi Jama Mosque. According to local sources, Sheikh Mahmud Shah Mosque was built 20 years after Sheikh Sadi Jama Mosque. Shah Mahmud and Sheikh Sadi were two brothers and both were businessmen. Number 2. Isha Khan's Jangalbari Fort. Jangalbari Fort is the second capital of the chief of the Baro Bhuyans of Bengal, Ala Bir Isha Khan. This medieval Jangalbari fort is located on the banks of the Narsunda River in Jangalbari village of Karimganj Upazila, just 7 kilometers from the Kishanganj district headquarters. It is known from the locals that the house, which is associated with the memory of Mahabir Isha Khan, was declared a protected monument by the Department of Archaeology in 2009, and later in 2013, a signboard for the preservation of monuments was put up in front of the house. The antiquities inside the fort have already been preserved by the Bangladesh Department of Archaeology. Mahabir Isha Khan was born in 1536 AD in Sarail, Brahmanbaria. He stayed at Jangalbari from 1581 to 1599 and died on the 17th of September 1599 at Bakhtarpur Fort in Bakhtarpur Union, Kaliganj Upazila, Gazipur. Number 3. Mithamoin Howrah. Mithamoin Howrah is one of the howrahs located in Kishanganj. Although this howrah attracts tourists during the rainy season due to the recently opened all-weather road, Mithamoin Howrah is now a hot favorite place for tourists. Along with the howrahs of Nikli, Ashtagram, Itna Howrah, another beautiful howrah here is Mithamoin Howrah, which is located in Mithamoin Upazila. The water of the vast howrah will bring joy to any nature lover. Mithamoin Howrah is surrounded by Itna and Ajmeriganj Upazilas to the north, Ashtagram Upazilas to the south, Baniachong and Ashtagram to the east, Karimganj and Nikli Upazilas to the west. This town, surrounded by howrahs, has only water for 5 to 6 months. After the water recedes, the entire howrah is filled with green leaves. Although the beauty of the howrah is intact throughout the year, the main attraction for travelers is mainly the rainy season. The country's nature lovers flock to the howrah during the rainy season. Number 4. Sheikh Mahmud Shah Mosque. An ancient Sheikh Mahmud Shah Mosque is located in Pakundia Upazila of Kishanganj district, Bangladesh. According to sources, the mosque was built in 1680 in accordance with the Mughal architectural style and was built by merchant Sheikh Mahmud. Although the original name of this mosque is Shah Mahmud Mosque, it is indicated as Shah Muhammad Mosque in the catalogue of Muslim architecture published by UNESCO. This mosque is located in the village of Agar Sindur, about 11 kilometers from the headquarters of Pakundia Upazila of Kishanganj district, on the Mathkola Mirzapur Pakundia road, which is located 1 kilometer from Isa Khan's fort. A little further away from Sheikh Mahmud Shah Mosque is Sheikh Sadi Jama Mosque. The mosque is built in a simple manner. The mosque is named after Sheikh Sadi, Shah Mahmud's brother. According to local sources, the Sheikh Sadi Mosque was built 20 years before the Shah Mahmud Mosque. Shah Mahmud and Sheikh Sadi were two brothers and both were businessmen. Number 5. Nikli Haur. Take a day trip from Dhaka and visit Nikli Haur in Kishanganj district on a very small budget. Boating on the vast expanse of clear water in the Haur, villages like islands in the water, small wetlands like nightjars, eating fresh fish from the Haur. All in all, an ideal place for a one-day tour. When the popular tourist places are crowded with people, this Nikli Haur in Kishanganj district will give you a beautiful day to wander around in peace and quiet. If you wish, there is a possibility to rent a big boat and stay on the boat for the night. Number 6. Qutub Shah Mosque. An archaeological site located in Ashtagram Upazila of Kishanganj district and an ancient Qutub Shah Mosque in Bangladesh. The mosque is believed to have been built during the Sultanate period. Since no inscription was found on it when the Qutub Mosque was discovered, there is little idea about its exact construction period. However, considering the architectural style and other aspects, archaeologists believe that it was built in the 16th century during the Sultanate period. There is a tomb next to the mosque, which is believed to be that of Qutub Shah. After his name, the mosque is called Qutub Mosque or Qutub Shah Mosque. In 1909, the then Department of Archaeology registered it as a protected site. The four-cornered Qutub Mosque has 4 octagonal towers at each corner. It is long in the north-south direction and wide in the east-west direction. There are 4 minarets on the octagonal tower. In addition, the mosque has a total of 5 domes. Except for the western wall, there are 5 entrances on all 3 walls, of which 3 are on the east. Number 7. Ashtagram Harashtagram. Upazila is a disconnected Upazila surrounded by haors. Ashtagram Upazila is located southeast of Kishanganj. Ashtagram is about 60 kilometers from Kishanganj district headquarters. It is located next to the famous Hakaluki and Tangwa. This haor extends over Itna, Mithamoin and Ashtagram in Kishanganj, Nikli, Tarayal, and some parts of Karimganj, Kalyajuri in Netrokona, Ajmeriganj in Habiganj, and some areas of Sunamganj. During the monsoon, a vast area is submerged in water and takes the form of an ocean. This town surrounded by water is surrounded by all the great beauty for 3.5 hours. During the monsoon, when a boat floats in Ashtagram Haur, it seems like it is going to cross a bottomless river. There is no bottom, no shore, only the turbulent Urmamala is rising and falling continuously. When the blood-red sun rises in the morning, it seems as if the red sun is once submerged under the water and then rising again to the rhythm of the waves. In the early morning, when the sun, breaking through the vast silent waters of the horizon and spreading clouds all around, voluntarily gathers its radiance and jumps up from the east like a large red ball, that scene is very impressive. Number 8. Narsunda Lake City and Muktamancha. Narsunda Lake City has been developed around the Narsunda River flowing through the heart of Kishanganj District City. As part of the implementation of the Narsunda Lake City project, which was taken up to revitalize this once rough river, the life of Kishanganj District City, witnessed to various anecdotes, and to improve the quality of life of the city's citizens, 5 beautiful bridges and 2-foot overbridges have been constructed at different points in the city. A spacious walkway has been created to enjoy the beauty of both banks of the river and walk. The main attraction of the Lake City project is around the Mukta Mancha and Watchtower located in front of Guru Dayal Government College. It is always crowded with people who love entertainment. As a result, exotic food shops and tea stalls have been developed around the Mukta Mancha and the observation tower. Those who come for entertainment can enjoy the pleasure of riding a horse-drawn carriage on the Guru Dayal College grounds or taking a boat trip on the Narsunda River. You can also climb to the top of the tall watchtower and see the diversity of Kishanganj city at a glance. Number 9. Delhi. Akhara the Delhi. Akhara, which is about 450 years old, is one of the historical tourist attractions in Kishanganj district. Deli Akhara is located in Katkal Union of Mithamine Upazila, a beautiful Haur area of Kishanganj. Although the name is Deli Akhara, in reality this Akhara has no special connection with Delhi in India. It is known that during the reign of Delhi Emperor Jahangir, the spiritual saint Narayan Goswami established this Akhara. Inside the Akhara there are Dharmashala, Nat Mandir, guest house, Pakshala, Vaishnavdev residence, tombs of Sadhak Narayan Goswami, and one of his disciples Gangaram Goswami. There are 2 ponds on both sides of Deli Akhara, and about 3,000 hijal trees spread all around the vast area. This historical Akhara and hijal trees on the banks of the river have added special diversity to the beauty of Mithamine Haur. Number 10. Balikhla. If you want to see something like a road in the middle of a Haur, a road running on both sides of the road, Balikhla in Karimganj Upazila of Kishanganj district is the place to go. The Niamatpur Balikhla Road, about 3 kilometers long from Rawa in Karimganj, flows through the middle of the Haur with immense beauty. Being quite high, this road does not sink in water. There are also boat travel facilities in the Haur. It is possible to visit it in one day from Dhaka and its surroundings. Number 11. Itna Shahi Mosque. Itna Shahi Mosque is located in Itna Upazila of Kishanganj district. Built in the Mughal architectural style, Itna Shahi Mosque is set on an altar. Surrounded by thick walls, the mosque has 2 arcades and 3 beautiful domes on the roof. It has been renovated locally several times in keeping with the original structure of the mosque. Due to some unplanned repairs, the inscriptions on the mosque have been covered under the cement coating. History shows that this 425-year-old Itna Shahi Mosque was built by Majlish Delwar, the chief of Baro Bhuiyan, Isa Khan. There is a dual opinion among the locals about the name of this mosque. Some call it the Gabi Mosque, while others call it the 3-domed mosque. Number 12. Itna Haritna is one of the Haur Upazilas of Kishanganj district. Although there is more or less water in the Itna Haurs throughout the year, the Haurs take on an artistic form during the rainy season. Then, all you can see is the expanse of water like the ocean on the horizon. Here and there, a green tree or 2 sprouts, a floating island or a cluster of houses. During the rainy season, the only means of transportation for the people of the Itna Haur region is boats, so you will see many boats on your trip to Itna. Number 13. Gangatia Zamindar Bari. The Zamindari system has long since disappeared, but the Gangatia Zamindar Bari, located in Gobindapur Union in Husainpur Upazila of Kishanganj district, stands tall as a witness to the times. To the locals, this house is better known as Mana Babur Bari, after the current heir of the Zamindar dynasty, Manabendra Chakraborty Chowdhury. This Zamindar house, a symbol of ancient civilization, is built according to Greek architecture of the 18th century. The elaborate house has a Kachari Gar, Nabat Khana, Durbar Gar, and a temple. In addition, the Gangatia Zamindar house, surrounded by high walls on all sides, has a pond and a vast courtyard covered with greenery. Although all the other structures except the Kachari Gar are almost destroyed today, people from different classes and professions come to see this Zamindar house every year from far and wide to see the ancient architectural style. Kishanganj. This beautiful valley is full of clear rivers, green and stunning views. Kishanganj peaceful atmosphere and friendly people make it a perfect place to relax and enjoy nature. Come visit Kishanganj, where every moment is a chance to experience nature's true beauty.